over the past couple of years, I've been doing a series of bedside cupboards um, for a client here in Berlin who designed them himself. Um, and to begin with, I was always making them out of plywood, but I eventually managed to convince him that making them out of solid wood would be much nicer, uh, especially on the corners. Um, so this shows the making of them out of walnut. Um, yeah, the interesting thing, I guess, I mean, obviously the main difference between using plywood or MDF and using walnut is simply you have a tree trunk, and then you're cutting it out of the tree trunk, and then you have to make the parts fit onto these planks of wood, and so I used these as you can see here, these Schablonen to fit the pieces on the to fit the parts I wanted to cut out on the pieces of wood, and then I drew that into the computer. I placed the parts on the computer program to decide where on the piece of wood they're going to be cut out. It's almost like cutting out a piece of cloth, I guess you could say. You know, you've got this pattern that needs cutting out, and then you draw it onto the wood or the cloth, and then you cut it out, right? And that's how I did this. And then so each side of the cupboard was made out of 3 individual pieces, and then those pieces were I used a biscuit joiner to glue them together. What else is there to say? Again, like, walnut is really a lot of fun to use. It's possible to join walnut in a way that you know, once it's finished, it's hard to see where the joints are, simply because the wood is dark to begin with, and the grain, the figure of the grain is kind of hides the joint quite well. It's also, it's fairly straight. It's not going all over. I also did these cupboards out of maple, and the figure of maple grain is not so easy, because it's it kind of likes to go all over the shop, and then to make the joints invisible is basically impossible. So you have to kind of do the next best thing, was just to make them beautiful. Yeah. But also the other thing with walnut is simply that it's just easier to work with. Okay, so here in this part of the video, what I was doing, I glued the front part of the bedside cupboard together, and then I made a jig on the CNC router, which I used to router the front of the front of the drawer, from the front and then from the back again. So here it's doing the grooves for the bottom of the drawer, and then so right at the end I used a very thin bit, for the back I used a 1mm bit, and then I turned the drawer over again, and then I used a 0.5mm bit to cut out the front of the drawer. So basically, what I achieved here was to cut the drawer front right out of the same piece of wood. Yeah. so that when it closes, you know, the grain is the same on the drawer front and on the front of the cupboard. So, you know, that looks really nice. This was again, this wasn't so easy with the maple. I used the same jig for the maple, and as soon as I started cutting with this 0.5 millimeter bit, it broke, because maple is just harder. It's a lot harder than walnut. I find hardwood to be a misnomer for walnut. It's comparatively soft, I find, and just that makes working with it much easier. Here, it's finally out, and then okay. Well, that's really. I'm going to stop talking now, because that's really the only interesting thing I have to say, and then the rest of the video kind of shows me finishing off the cupboard, and yeah, there's not really all that much. I don't think there's all that much explaining that needs to be done here. It's pretty self-explanatory otherwise.